Okay, so what we have here is we have an equation based off of this sequence here. You'll notice that it's going up by threes, and after the initial 3, so if I were to input this 1 here, I'd have 3 times 1 is 3, but I actually start at 9. So I have to add the plus 6, okay? Now we're going to talk about inputting the x into the function. So you're not always just going to see x here. X is a placeholder for your input. Remember, this is your input, okay? So sometimes you'll see things that are like, we're going to put this. F of 5 is equal to 3x plus 6. Or it'll say, this is your equation. Now find for me f of 5. Okay, so f of 5 just means that for your input is always x. We already talked about how x is your input and y or f of x is your output. Okay, so if I input 5, that's what this is saying. I am inputting 5 into my equation. All you're simply doing is you're replacing x with whatever this is. So it's 3 times 5 plus 6. That's all you're doing is when it asks for a specific input, you put it into your equation. So we have 3 times 5 is 15 plus 6 is 21. Now if we want to check, we know that each of these is going up by 3, so 18 plus 3 is 21. So that's all it means is when you have a number here, that means that you have an actual number from your input, from here. And it's just replacing the x with that number.